my name is Cavin Thompson. I am a tutor for the NASNATI program here at Carl Albert State College, and I will be teaching you some basic stuff with Microsoft Word. We will start in the Home tab, going from left to right, and the first thing we're going to do is copy and paste. Now, when you select text, it'll say copy, cut, and it'll give you a paste option. You can click copy, and it'll copy it, or you can hit Control-C. Now, to paste it, you can go to an empty set of text and click paste, and it'll paste it, or you can hit Control V and paste it another time. Now, if you want to go back or undo what you just did, you can hit Control Z and it'll redo the step that you just did. Now, cut, what it does, it basically just cuts out your selected text, but it allows you to paste it in another area. Format Painter allows you to take the format of whatever text you have selected and apply it to a different set of text. So say I want to select this right here and apply it to that right there. See, now it changed it and formatted to exactly how this is made, so now it looks like that. We will undo that. Now here is your fonts, your list of fonts that gives you everything that Office provides. Here's the font size. As you can tell, I have made multiple different sizes of fonts and font styles. Here is bold. Let me select this and put it in bold. Makes all your text bold, obviously. And then here is the italicize button. Makes all your text italicized. And here is the underline. Adds an underline level to all of your text. Here is strike through, which adds a strike through all of your text. This is right here is subscript, and it basically makes a little layer of text under what you already have. So say I want to make subscript, it'll be down and to the side of it, like right here. So see, it's how and it just ends up like that. Now the other subscript that they have right here is up top. It's just a little detail that you can add on to whatever you're typing. Now as you can see right here in the beginning, I have a font style like this, like a text effect, and you can make it to whatever you please. You can have it whatever color or outline. This button right here is the text highlight color, so I can select this chunk of text and hit highlight, and it highlights it. We will undo that, and this is your font color, and it will change the color of whatever selected font that you have. Automatically, it's going to make it black. It's just how it just looks better on a white sheet of paper. We will undo that. Now we will mess with text alignment. As you can see, when I select this text, it shows that it is aligned to the left. I can make it aligned to the center, or I can make it aligned to the right. Align to the right. Do it. Thank you. And this is justify. Basically, justify just means that it fits the paper. No matter what the page looks like, it justifies it to the paper and to the paper only. So we will align it back to left so it looks like how we typed it. This right here is your bullets. Say I want to add a bullet right here, so it makes it every text that I have selected a bullet into a bullet. Now at the end of it, I can hit enter and it adds another bullet, allowing me to type whatever I please. Now say you want to add a little bit extra to that bullet, you can hit enter and then tab, and it will give you a little subpart to your bullet. You can type whatever you please. Now here, right here, numbering is essentially the same thing, but it's just numbers, and it does it automatically. So I can type here and then hit enter. It'll go to 3 and then 4 and so forth. Now here is your multi-level list, and this basically puts together bullets and numbering and makes it easier for you to organize however you want. So I can do that. and tab, and it's A instead of, and then A type B, and then I can do that, and now it's 2 type, and then 2 has its own A. And here, let me take this off right here, and this button right here is a line and paragraph spacing, so I will pick this right here, and this affects the space between the lines in your text. As you can see, this is double, just doubles it, makes it spread out even further, and this is just normal right here. Now right here, you can tell that I have used the borders and shading right here. It allows me to, I can select the text that I want, and I can make it no border, I can make it just a border on the top, or I can just give it all borders. And then I can add a shade color to fit in that border. Now, this right here is your sort button, and basically it will sort whatever you have from 1 second. Okay, like 1, 4, 5, 8, 2. So I can take this and hit the sort button, and never mind. Basically. Anyways, this button is the show and hide button. This shows all the formatting and everything that you have in your text, like your spacing or your tabs and your indentions. And you can just click that to take it off. Now here is your text styles, and this allows you to change the formatting to your text however you please. You can make it bold but a certain color, or you can have it italicized and look different. It's just whatever you want, like that. I'll go with that. That one looks good. Then here, to the far right, is your editing. See, you can tell that I have spelled these words incorrectly, but what this allows me to do is that I can find what I have, like, I can find it, and then click it, and then I can choose to replace it. And I can replace it with the proper text. So, replace all. See? And now you can tell that it has been replaced with the proper spelling, like this. Insufficient. Then I can just put the proper way to spell it, and then replace it like that. Or, as you can tell, there are a lot of red squiggly lines at the bottom of all these words, and that just means that the Microsoft Word does not recognize it, so more than likely it's either spelled incorrectly or it's a word that it does not understand. So you can select it, right-click it, and it'll give you corrections, or you can choose to ignore it and say this is what I meant, or you can just add it to the dictionary. I'll choose to correct it. And that is all for now. If you need anything else, I will be here in the LRC for the NAS90 program at Carl Albert. Thank you.